Alright guys, we just got some new bricks in. These are another batch of 10Ks. These are unpolished. These are fresh off the machine.
Ooh, doggy.
We're just rinsing them off a little bit.
Man.
We're going to take them and get them polished. Well, we're not going to get them. I'm going to polish them.
Right.
That one's going to look ridiculous. Where's the Porscheman? Turn the Porscheman over so we can see the other side.
Which one is it? Which one is it? Is it this one? Boom.
It's still wet. But
Oh
you know
my
what?
God. We got yo.
We got my blotter. Zadi's the professional blotter.
Professional blotter.
What's the next one? What's that?
Oh, look, we gotta turn it and look.
We gotta turn it and look.
Turn it over. Turn it
The
over.
TikTokers ain't gonna
Boom.
wait. Oh, Maserati.
Blotch it.
It's blot.
It's blot.
Blotch is like a thing you get on your skin. These will all be mirrors in the next 5 hours.
Look at it, guys.
It's gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah.
Give me 5 hours, I'll post a new video.
Boom.
The American Express looks ridiculous under this light. Ooh, doggy.
The Benz, yo.